T7.3 Solution of trigonometric equations. A. Solve equations such as sin theta equals k, cos theta equals k, tangent theta equals k. Example 14. Find the values of theta if theta from 0 degree until 360 degree inclusively. A. Sin theta equals 1 over 2. The value of 1 over 2 is positive value. Let's relate with the quadrant, where is we choose first quadrant and second quadrant. That means the corresponding value of alpha is located on first quadrant and second quadrant. Next is we have to reject the third quadrant and fourth quadrant because this is a location of sign negative. Next, let's find out the particular angle of alpha. Alpha equals to inverse sine 1 over 2. Make sure press the calculator in the positive value. From here we can have direct answer, where is alpha equals 30 degree. But this is not what we want. We want the value of theta, where is theta is located on the first quadrant. First quadrant is alpha now, that means theta equals to 30 degree. Next is second quadrant. Alpha is 180 degree minus 30 degree. And finally, theta equals to 30 degree and 150 degree. Example 14b. Tangent theta equals negative 2. To solve these questions, firstly we have to consider the sign given. This is a negative 2. This is a negative quadrant. From this sign, we have to reject first quadrant and third quadrant. And we have to choose the second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Since the sign is negative, therefore, alpha is located at the second quadrant and fourth quadrant. To find out the value of alpha, we can set that alpha equals to arctangent 2. Next, by pressing the calculator, alpha equals 63.43 degree. This is not the final answer. Let's find out the values of theta. Theta lies on the second quadrant. Therefore, we can say that 180 degree minus 63.43 degree. For the fourth quadrant, we use the formula 360 degree minus 63.43 degree. Finally, the theta equals 116.57 degree and 296.57 degree. Example 14c. Cos theta equals negative sine 285 degree. Let's press the calculator. And we have that this equals to 0.9659. Where is this is a positive value. Let's relate with the quadrant cos positive. We choose first quadrant and fourth quadrant. That means the corresponding value of alpha is located on first quadrant and fourth quadrant. That means we have to reject second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Let's find out the value of alpha. Alpha equals arc cos 0.9659. By using calculator, we can find out that the alpha equals 15 degree. Alright, let's relate with the quadrant. What is value of theta? Theta, we accept the alpha where is 15 degree. This acute angle. Next is for fourth quadrant, we use 360 degree minus 15 degree. And finally, theta equals 15 degree and 345 degree.